radio first, before even the police station.
Like Ahmad is coming?
I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I say, Father, Ace, hold on. Madam, I say, open your mouth and talk to me now. Madam,
open your mouth.
Madam, what is your name?
My name is Susan.
So, why you tie that pikin hand and leg, pour him kerosene, light fire?
Honestly, sir, I don't know what entered me that I do that thing. I don't even know what the time when the thing happened.
Madam, who told you that the child is a witch?
Nobody.
Madam, I'm going to ask you again. Who told you that child, that little child, is a witch?
Nobody told me anything about that. Please, sir, I am begging for forgiveness. I don't know what happened.
Madam, tell me the truth now. I will give you one last chance.
As the thing happened, me, I don't know how come the thing can happen like that.
It seems that the honorary president has had enough, but there's one more thing he wants to do.
Okay, thank you very much, everybody.
Everyone, hello my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. E get one video where just the try for everywhere now for Berekete family. And I know Berekete family, that man a person wey be say me I like well, like the man a person wey me I really like well. Wey be say if you just if anybody get problem, most of una go know Berekete family, you know. If anybody get problem, the man they always they settle the matter. You go tell people say I don't take one. You go find solution. Even though you not get money, you go even go borrow give the person. Now very very nice man, and na man wey be say you know they like me be say somebody go intimidate you, you know they like him. So my darling people, now when I know say people they always they carry their case go meet Berekete family, you go see if they solve them, you understand. So you get one woman, this woman carry he brother pikin carry the small pikin, he said that they tell her say the small pikin and wish. He carry kerosene put for this small pikin. He mona listen, no, because many people when they do video concerning this thing now, they say the man too overreact. My darling people, they say because it's not human right, it too overreact. When I know say if something don't happen, people will cut that part or call editor, cut the sweet one, we go favor them. But they don't go cut how the thing say happen. You understand? Okay, my darling people. This a woman, mona listen whether what this woman do, whether na good thing. Mona listen, no, my ogbonge people, no. Okay. Then this woman, he carry his brother pikin, he put kerosene for the small pikin head. He come on fire put all the small pikin head burn. The head, now God, God, no. Now God said that's what pikin not me. My darling people. Okay. Then the Berekete family come they ask this woman say, what make you beat your brother wife like this? Your brother pikin like this? He say no. He no know. That one I answer. He no know. What make you beat him? He no know. Now Berekete family honorary Ahmed come ask am reach how many times. I say it take verse. Because what did that woman do to that girl? If una see the girl, una go shocked her lies like seriously. Una go shock. Okay, now they blame people now say it too overreact, because when they come ask the woman reach how many times, the woman don't see better thing talk, saying no why you do am. Why you do am saying no? Okay, you want to tell me now say now something possess you, or now devil now him possess you, like you don't know wetin happen, wetin make you do am, my darling people. Because una know say if something happen finish, they come dey give devil, give wish. Whereas now wetin dem use their hand take cause so, they come say na devil now, na him use am now. Because as they ask am question, he say she no know why she do am. She no know why she do am. And they hear my darling people. So as the Berekete family they ask am, the man come dey vex. If they ask am, this woman not still better thing talk. Now he land am better slap. As he give am the slap now, people they say it too overreact. How can na human rights he be? He not supposed to do that kind of thing. My darling people, wetin the woman do, he warrant evil over slap. He warrant evil over slap. Wetin the woman do? How you go treat small girl like that? Why? Wetin go make you treat that girl like that? Wetin that girl do? Wetin that Berekete family do? For me, I not see am like bad thing, because the woman, you carry small pikin after you don't beat am. You can't carry her hair. You can't put kerosene. You want born am alive. You be one born the small pikin alive. Before me no honorary Ahmed not the quick vest like that. Before that man come vest like that, you not go know say the thing he really provoke am, like the thing really vex am. Before that man come overreact like that, you go know say the thing really vex am. Even supposing me dey there sef, the slap me forgive that woman for pass like that. Really, how you go do that kind of thing to small pikin? You just beat her like that? Who does that? People now want they blame Berekete family now, say it too overreact. My darling people, I beg. Mona see help me talk for this one though. Which woman go do that kind of thing? That woman a human being? Who does that? You carry small pikin, carry his hair, burn am, carry fire put. You say because say they tell you say na wish. Say because he disobey you. Okay, then they ask you now, who tell you say na wish? He say nobody. He say nobody. Okay, what's come make you do this one pikin like that? He say no. You know they talk better thing. Suppose maybe he even answer honorary Ahmed. Say he answer am well. That man for not beat am. If they ask him like what it make you beat am? He no know. What it make you put fire for kerosene for your hair? You put fire. He no know. Okay, now something na he walk you that day. Some notes come up for your head where be say you not gonna know what you they do again. I be waiting. Waiting make you do that kind of thing to this small pikin. You know see better thing talk, my darling people. This man begin dey lie say he no know wetin make him do am, my darling people. Una go fit tell me now say this woman now she dey okay. This woman don't know what she dey do. Okay, because Berekete family now can't overreact, slap him now. They say the man too overreacts. Why he go slap him for public like that? It will be human right. You're not supposed to do that kind of thing. Human right, not be blood they flow for a vein. Before that man provoke, you see that's what became condition not good. Then make it slap that woman like that. Me, I use our body to join now. I use our body to join and me beat the woman away. That woman oh too much. Who does that? Be small pikin like that. My darling people, if you see this small pikin, una go shop talies. Una go Berekete family page, una go see am for there. What did that girl do now? Good thing, my darling people. So my people, anything you wanna think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Say what did this woman do? If na good thing or na bad thing, wanna still leave on a comment. Thank you, my darling people. Please share the video. I beg, make we not the overreact for this again. We will be women. No matter what this small pikin wey they give you, go do you. You're not supposed to beat them or to even do that kind of thing where this woman do so. use mouth take correct am. We too believe on all those maybe na pastor now, one fake pastor now don go tell am say this one pikin na wish now he begin go dey do wetin he be wan put fire for the small pikin body. If not be God wey come save that small pikin now uncle. Elderly people, I'm not vex dey rush dey talk because the thing just dey vex me really. The thing just really dey provoke me, like seriously. Thank you, my darling people. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.